Jasper iBusiness app. The pros, the cons. If you've been exploring iTools to supercharge your business, you've probably heard about Jasper I. But is it really worth the hype? Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Jasper I excels at content generation. Whether you need blog posts, social media copy, or email campaigns, Jasper can produce high-quality drafts in minutes. Businesses report saving up to 70% of the time they normally spend writing. It also supports multiple languages, making it great for global brands. Another big advantage is the boss mode feature, which allows you to generate long-form content with a few simple commands, giving you a lot of flexibility and creativity without starting from scratch. But it's not perfect. One major downside is cost. The business plan can be expensive for small businesses or freelancers, especially if you don't use it every day. Another issue is accuracy. Jasper is impressive, but it can occasionally produce content with factual errors or awkward phrasing, so human editing is still necessary. Some users also find the interface overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to iWriting tools. A surprising truth about Jasper is that while it speeds up content creation, it doesn't automatically make content engaging or SEO-friendly. You still need a strategy to guide it. And while it has templates and workflows, mastering them takes time and experimentation. In conclusion, Jasper iBusiness is a powerful tool for teams and businesses that produce a lot of written content. It can save hours and spark creative ideas, but it's not a complete replacement for human writers. If you're willing to invest time in learning it and budget for the cost, it can be a real game changer. Otherwise, smaller, more focused tools might be a better fit. The key is to weigh efficiency against accuracy and cost before committing.